Page 8 in my book, Slice of Pi, where you can find the first 3,100 digits of pi and how to memorize them, is probably the most interesting page in the book. So it has what is called the Feynman Point. Is that how you say it? Feynman Point? So this is where you can joke about, or someone very famous joked about, doing pi to this point where you get 9,9,9,9,9,9, and then just saying and so on. Because at this point you would think that you have turned pi into a rational number and that it's just 9 recurring. But then eventually it turns into an 8 and then it just carries on with random digits. So it's got that point. It's also got a couple of birthdays in it. So the 12th of the 12th, 12th of December. And it's also got the 29th of February, which is a leap year. So I quite like that it's got the 12th of the 12th, and also the only day that's in a leap year, the 29th of February. So when people ask me where their birthday is within pi, presumably the least amount of people are going to ask me for the 29th of February. So I quite like that that's in there. And it's got 0, 4, which in my system I turn a 0 into an S and a 4 into a D, so you get SD, which is Susie Dent for the person. And I got to meet Susie Dent at a conference, and I got a photo of her holding the 4 of spades, because in my system the first 52 digits, 0, 1, well sorry, it starts with 0, 0, SS, Sylvester Stallone, but 0, 1 to 52 is my system for cards. So 0, 4 doubles up as the 4 of spades. So for some reason I managed to convince her to hold up the 4 of spades and have a photo taken with me. Very proud day that was. And the final thing about this page is that I don't like how it slates Rubiks cubes, because my system is that 13 is RC, so the object is Rubiks cube, and the adjective is 2, 1, which I convert to BR, which is boring. So you end up with Will and Grace shrugging 760, because it takes us up to the 760th digit of pi. Will and Grace shrugging boring Rubiks cubes off the door of the train station. So when I think of train station door within my memory palace, I have to think of Will and Grace shrugging. So somehow they're shrugging, like their shoulders must be really high where the door frame is. They're shrugging these boring Rubiks cubes. So Will and Grace think that the Rubiks cube is boring. And it kind of upsets me each time. It doesn't really upset me, obviously, because I've invented this picture. But every time I have to think of it, I kind of think, oh man, why did I have to think this boring? The Rubik's Cube to me is the most exciting kind of toy and puzzle ever. So it's got that in there as well. So it's got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 9s in a row. The Feynman Point. You'll have to look that up, there's more information about it. It's got what I think are 2 interesting birthdays, 12, 12 and the leap year, 29th of February. And it's got 0, 4, which is Susie Dent, although here it's got the object, which is a sword. But at places in my book, it starts with 0, 4, which is Susie Dent. So if you happen to know her, then feel free to tag her or get her to watch this video. So that is what I think is some quite fun facts about page 8 of my book, Slice of Pi, which you can get on Amazon or Lulu. I think it's Lulu, but I'll leave a link below this video. Thanks very much.